What I was looking for is something as a challenge and something to do in retirement. It was more challenging than I thought. Totally different than driving a car with a manual.
I was previously used to backing up trailers, but nothing of that length. It's a whole nother world.
The number one thing we're actually focused on is safety.
You get to learn a lot about pre-trip inspections in this class. There's in-cab inspection, the engine compartment. You got to check all the duals, the brake systems, steering, all the major components.
It's also about learning how to function as a good truck driver. There's drivers and there are professional drivers.
Our Class A will let us drive nearly any vehicle unless it requires the specific endorsements.
Something that has 2 trailers attached to it for hazardous materials or any tankers.
It prepares you for the real world.
You don't have to be a guy to do this. Definitely it's open to both women and men.